What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on this episode of Midnight Empty Garage, we will be working on the Lexus, and we will be installing the NK RPF ones. Yeah, so it's just one of those nights, guys. It's late and I can't sleep, so we might as well do something. So in order to put this wheel package on, you need the following things. Your tools, you're gonna need your whatever it's called tool to take off the wheel. You're gonna need tuner lugs to fit the aftermarket rim, and then you're also going to need this bad boy, a hub centric ring. And what that does, it allows for the rim to sit properly on the hub of the car, because this circle center right here, let me show you, this does not fit that over there properly, and so this is much needed so that way it can sit secure to the vehicle, because if not, and there's a space, this can cause vibrations, thus messing up your rim and possibly the lugs. And it also gives nasty vibrations as well. So, excuse me. So we're gonna throw these bad boys on, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right, give me a second. All right, guys. So we got the car jacked up. Real quick pro tip: before you lift the car, crack these nuts loose while it's still on the ground, so it makes it easier. You're not trying to fight it, you're trying to unloosen it when it's off the ground. And then same thing too as well, some cars, they come with the wheel lock, so make sure you have that. So get this wheel off and put the new one on. All right guys, so the wheel is on, but before I mount it, I just wanted to show you why hub centering rings are so important. So you see that gap? Now when the car has it, look, see all this play up and down? No, you don't want that. So you take one of these and you put it inside, and then it should be keeping it still. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. Alright guys, so there it is. Now there's no gap and now there's no play. The only thing to do now is to put the tuner lugs in, so that way you can see properly. And most of them, when you get your tuner lugs, they come with a specific key, so that you can lock them up. I say always hand tighten first, and then you can go, use whatever else, but hand tighten, guys, hand tighten. Alright, so we're gonna get it all buttoned up, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. See you guys in a bit. Alright, real quick pro tip, guys. Also, when you are putting on your rims, you don't have to, but I'm using a torque wrench, and it calls for 76 pounds of pressure, and so I just set it to that. And what you're looking for is when you hear it, it'll make a click noise. Not that click noise, watch. That's it. And then when you put it on, you don't want to go clockwise, you don't want to go counter, you want to go star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anywhere of the variation going across. That way it seats evenly. Alright, so that one's on. And yeah, we're going to put the other ones on, and we'll show you guys how it looks after. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we are done. And yeah, this is what the car looks like now. Obviously it's not on a suspension, but it looks good. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Is she valid? Is she alright? Do you guys fuck with the wheels? Yeah, it's slowly coming together. Obviously, the suspension is not on, so I mean it's gonna look a little high. I can already hear you guys, monster truck height, monster truck height. It does have a little bit of poke to it though, and that's okay. It's very, very minimal. And by the time we lower it, yeah, you see, look, by the time we lower it, the natural camber will take over, As you guys know, this is going to be a drift car, and so for the front there is going to be camber, so it'll be tucked, and then the fenders will be pulled, and in the back, same thing. The wheels will be ever so slightly more in, but yeah, that's the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. For now, the next video is going to be the fender roll, because it definitely does need fender rolling, and then what else? Maintenance, carbon fiber hood, trunk. I'm waiting on these damn fucking fenders as well, and then from there, LSD, etc., etc. But for the most part, I think she looks pretty good. Not bad for a 2007, like, you know what I mean? So 2007, 6-speed rear-wheel drive, open diff, Lexus is250. She's good to go. I'm also gonna change that mirror to the updated look as well, like the black ones, so it'll match the handles, the little accents, to give it a more what's it called? What's the word I'm looking for? A more updated look. But yeah, she looks, what do y'all think? She looks good, huh? Let me see what she looks at this angle as well, in the back. Let me see. It's not too bad. Yeah, not too bad at all. So that's gonna be the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Feel free to like and subscribe, share, comment down below. We reached our goal, guys. We are at 252 now. So New Year goal, 500 maybe. Let's see how soon we can get there. All right, guys. Well, take it easy. Happy New Year's, and we'll see you guys around. Peace.